In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when you get the error "cannot start the game or app" on your PS5. So the first thing you want to do is highlight the game or app and press the options button on your controller. And in this order, first try closing out the game or app fully and restarting it to see if it works. And if you're still getting the error, check for an update, as well as restoring the license. And if that doesn't work, we're going to go back and press the PlayStation button on your controller. And then you want to go down to power and restart your console. Now, if it's still not working after that, press the options button again, and then I recommend you delete it and reinstall it to see if it fixes the issue. Now, if it's still not working, we're going to go to Settings on your console, and then scroll down to System Settings, go to System Software, and then go to System Software Update and Settings, and make sure your console's up to date with the latest system software. Now, if you're still getting the error, what we're going to do is press the PlayStation button on your controller, and we're going to select Power, and then turn off your console fully. Now, once it's fully turned off, press and hold the power button until you get 2 beeps, and that'll bring you into safe mode where you can clear the cache as well as rebuild the database, and then you want to try the game again to see if it works. This guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.